Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the equation of a circle. We have a question. It reads, find the center and radius of the circle whose equation is given as x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 16y minus 1 is equal to 0. The first thing you do when you are given such kind of a question, you just collect the like terms together. As you've seen the equation here, it's x squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 16y minus 1 is equal to 0. So the negative 1 crosses the equal sign. So I'm going to have x squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 16 is equal to 1. You remember the completing square method? It says there is that formula we normally use. B over 2 enclosed in a bracket squared is equal to C. It is equal to AC. So that's basically what we are doing here. We are going to take the second value after the coefficient that is squared, minus 8x, and then after y squared we also have 16 plus 16y. This one is supposed to be plus 16y. This one is plus 16y. So when I'm finding the center and radius of this equation, I basically consider negative 8 and positive 16. So I'll just have negative 8. So I just divide negative 8 with 2. I get negative 4. Assuming that this negative 4 crosses an equal sign. This one is crossing an equal sign. It gives me 4. You go to the second value, positive 16. So I write positive 16, I'm dividing with 2. Then this one gives me 8. Assuming that 8 gives me, assuming that 8 crosses the equal sign. So this one crossing an equal sign becomes negative 8. So my center becomes, the center of that equation is 4, negative 8. I've not gotten the radius. I haven't gotten the radius. So for me to get the radius, I just take the center squared plus the value that had crossed the equal sign, this one here. So I'm just going to take 4 squared plus negative 8 squared plus 1. The 1 is here, the one that had already crossed the equal sign. Then the whole of this one, I'm finding its square root. So this gives me 16 plus 64 plus 1. If I take 16 plus 64 plus 1, I get this one is equivalent to 81. The square root of 81 is 9. So the radius of that circle, becomes 9. That's the radius. And then the center is 4, negative 8. And that's how you do that question.